Hello my lovely friends, this is MK Studios and today I have for you a very special phone. This is the unboxing and a small review for the iPhone 8 256GB edition. Now the color that I have purchased is space gray and let's start with the unboxing now. I'm not civilized. Alright, it looks good. It is beautiful. So, inside it shows designed by Apple in California. Some documents and the stickers. Here it is. It's beautiful. First we'll see what the accessories are. Simple power charger. It's just a charger, not even a power charger. Headphones with the Thunderbolt port to auxiliary port dongle. This is, what Apple is known for nowadays, their courage. Standard USB cable. Alright, that's about it. I won't probably ever use these headphones or the charger because I'll be charging my iPhone to my iPad charger. That's a 12-watt charger. It will help me charge this phone much better and faster. It says it's not even readable. Designed by Apple in California, assembled in as usual China. Alright.
The main reason why I got this phone was to make videos for YouTube. These review videos plus my travel videos, I'll be shooting through this. The deciding factor for choosing this phone was the camera. It can shoot 4K videos through its entire memory bank, and my Galaxy S7 had a limit to record 4K videos for only up to 10 minutes. Alright, let's just start with taking off this cover. Slowly and steadily. Well, the phone looks beautiful in black. It's a lot reflective though. A lot of reflections going off. The grey looks simply awesome. Again, glass back making it stunning.
Alright, so the very first thing that I did after I took all the covers away is I got myself a case, a TPU case for the phone. TPU because it was light and it's okay. I take care of my devices very well. So the very first thing that I noticed was the rise to wake feature. You pick up the phone and it activates itself and it gives you notifications here. They are not right now because I've removed it, but yes, they are there. So you see, like this. So you unlock it. The fingerprint sensor is fast. Now you see there are 3 pages. This is the first default page you get once you unlock the phone. You swipe left and you go to the search page with the widgets. Now you can edit these widgets in the edit section. You can choose whichever widget you want to say on the left page. There were not these many options there, they came on later, and once you're done with it, this is what you get. And on the right there are another set of apps. Now I have already set these apps according to my own preferences. The mails are set, the social apps are set in one folder, the YouTube and the Amazon are set in the other folder, so on and so forth. So this is the default setup that you get. You can also go on to the search option without these widgets. All you need to do is, on this very first basic page, swipe from up to down. You go to the search option, type anything you want to search, like I'll do it, and you get everything related to the word that you searched for, from the scanner app to the files to the mails to the internet browser options that it suggests you. And when you swipe from the absolute top, you get the notification panel wherein you get everything that you want to be notified of. When you swipe from bottom to up, you get to the control center. Now these options can be selected from the settings page. This control center, you customize your controls via this page. Whatever you select from here gets added onto the control center page, and this is what you get here. I absolutely love the sensitivity of the icons here. They are absolutely great. Plus, the 3D touch feature is also available here. You press one of the apps and you can go inside it, do whatever changes you want to do. See? Absolutely love it. So what else is new in this iPhone 8? I have jotted down a couple of features which I think are the main things that one needs to know. The very first thing that I would like to explain to you is the body of the phone. I'll just take off the cover that I have got for the phone. You see the shine, the reflection, this is because of the glass body that the phone now has. Glass on both the sides. It does make your phone very beautiful. This grey actually outshines the rest of the colors in direct sunlight. It is beautiful when you see it inside a room under a tube light, but trust me, this color is in its own league when you see it under a sunlight. Now, what are the advantages of this glass body as it shows you here? Now the thing is, instead of metal, this year Apple gave iPhone the glass treatment. Now this did made the phone beautiful, but since every coin has two faces, the same treatment has rendered this costly device susceptible to damage due to slipperiness. Yes, it is very slippery. But there are more positives than the negatives. The iPhone is heavier, which makes it more confident to hold, and it supports wireless charging. Now speaking of wireless charging, there isn't much to talk about it because Apple not only came late to the party, they also came up with the slowest form. The current wireless charger is as slow as the charger provided with the phone, that is 5 watts. It only charges about 10% per 15 minutes, as that's the maximum iPhone 8 supports through wireless charging. Though I remember while going through the Apple event that they plan to increase the watt from 5 to 7.5 in future update, so that the iPhone can benefit from the bulk in chargers. Alright, the battery. Now, last year iPhone 7 came up with 1960 mAh battery, but this year iPhone 8 came up with 1821 mAh. Why? Simply because Apple says both the phones should last about the same. iOS is good in battery optimization, so that could be the reason. Now, over the last a week, My average use of the phone has come up to be 5 to 6 hours, inclusive of YouTube and browsing and camera and all that. Now if you could see, I have big fingers, so that's causing one problem. I'm generally left with, after using this much, I'm actually left with somewhere about 30%, 35% of battery at the end of the day. So I must say the battery optimization in this iOS is super awesome. Then comes the Bluetooth. This is the first iPhone to come up with Bluetooth. There are a lot of benefits to it. One is low in battery consumption. Second is data transmission speed is double the previous versions, about up to 2 Mbps. The range has extended about 3 times now, from say 10 meters to 30 meters. And you can also connect up to 2 Bluetooth devices, for example Bluetooth speakers, at one given point of time. Then comes the display. Until the iPhone X comes out, this phone presumably has got the best display uh, among any iPhone ever sold. They call it True Tone display. Basically, it is a white balance compensating system. The sensor measures the ambient light and brightness, and then the software determines the info and adjust the screen display. I'll show you. You see this True Tone? When you switch it on, the screen actually goes a little yellow. I'm not sure whether you will be able to see this. I'll try. Display and brightness. So you should be able to see that change once I switch it off. You see, it went from warmer to a little cold. You see that? I mean, you can easily see the change from your naked eye, but I'm not sure whether you are able to see that through this. Okay, now last but not the least, I want to talk about what this phone is actually famous for is the camera. Now this is the only iPhone that could shoot 4K video throughout its entire memory base. Yes, I bought the 256 gig because I would like to shoot all the videos 4K. I'll show you why I bought this phone, for what purpose. You see these camera settings, you see this, records video, you see this is why I bought this, and this is why I bought this variant of 256 gigabytes. This phone can actually record non-stop till the memory goes out, and this is again one of the features why I bought this phone. I'll put 2 sample clips just to show you why I bought this camera. Alright, so that's about it. That's why I bought this phone, and this is my small unboxing and a small review after about 4 days of use. I'll put some more videos in the future if I find anything interesting, and please do like, subscribe, and give me more advice on what needs to be done while recording videos. I'm still learning. Yeah, so like, subscribe, and share if you like my videos. Thanks.